Okay, this is part 2 of how to create a Google Forms quiz with voice questions. So we've recorded our voice memos and we've saved them to our Google Drive. So then you're going to open your quiz that you made on Google Forms, open your drive and locate your recordings. And then you're going to change the sharing preferences on your recordings so that everybody with a link can view it. So I'll show you really quickly how I do that. These are all my recordings. I select the first one, I hold shift and select the last one. And then you're going to come up here to the person with the plus sign. That's your share button. And then you're going to change your privacy so anyone with a link can view. My Chromebook automatically defaults it so anybody with a link within my school district can view it. And I love my kids dearly, but sometimes they use devices other than the school issued Chromebooks. So you can it gets kind of messy with them saying, oh, I can't hear the recording. So to avoid that, I just make it anybody with a link can view it. And then click done. So that basically makes it public. And then you click on the question you want. You're going to right click it and go to get shareable link. And then go back to your quiz. Find the question number you want. So this is question number 1. I'm just going to paste it in there. And then voila, you have it. I would love to say that Google has a button that you can just insert audio and then it just shows a nice clean little play button for them to click. But we're not there yet. So for now, just putting the link in there does the trick. So if you go to your preview, you can preview what the students will see. So they would see my question, who are they talking about? Click on it and that opens the recording. So then they can just play the recording.
Él estaba cantando las canciones populares de J Balvin y Maluma.
So then they can go back to the question, and then based on what they heard, select who was being talked about. So that would have been my boy Tom over here. So that's one way to do it. I don't like to see this much writing. I like a nice clean looking quiz. So what I would do is select that link. So once I've copied that link from my drive, I would open this website, shorturl.at, and I would paste the link in there, shorten the URL, and that makes it just a nice short text that I can throw in the question. And it just, in my opinion, makes it look a little neater. So then when you go to the preview, that's what they're clicking on instead of that long link. So let's see. So to sum that all up is I shared it so that it's anybody with a link can view it. Right click on the question you want and get your shareable link, and then you can just post it into your Google Forms quiz, or you can use the short URL website to shorten it a little bit and copy and paste it into your question. Hope this helps. Happy teaching.